it's kind of like a buzzword. You know, what kind of warranty can I get? Well, it's a lifetime warranty. You know, a lifetime warranty, whose lifetime? Is it my lifetime? Is it the lifetime of the product? You know, nobody really knows what a lifetime warranty is. And the fact of the matter is when you get a lifetime warranty on anything, they're afraid to tell you what the actual warranty is. So until you look at it and look at the proration schedule that's in the lifetime warranty, in the state of Wisconsin, lifetime warranties have to be 7 years. And when I talk about a 50-year non-prorated warranty, it means that if the window's worth, the window lock, for instance, is worth X amount today, and you paid X amount for that lock today, in 49 and a half years, if that lock breaks, it's worth the same. You're not gonna have to pay part of it. You're gonna get a new lock, 100% paid for. That's called non-prorated. You have the whole window self-destructs, you get a whole new window absolutely free. It never prorates, it never drops in value. And these lifetime warranties just don't have that. They have proration schedules, and it says lifetime warranty on the top, and by the time you get to the bottom of the first paragraph, the proration schedule's there. They'll cover 100% of anything that goes wrong for a year, maybe 2, sometimes 5, and then after that it's prorated. After the 10th year, you're paying 90%, and whoever warranted the product is paying 10%. That's not even a warranty in my opinion. So 50-year non-prorated, 50-year on labor, non-prorated, and you can't do better than that.